Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'll be talking to you about the gear linkage selector bush kit for the early T4s. Over time, these wear out and fall apart. When the bushes start to fail, they can cause issues with selection of gears. A T4 made between 1990 and 1995 will have a different style pivot bush at the gearbox end compared to the T4s made from 96 onwards. The technical data provided to us from VW is that you should change the early gear linkage to the later type. This is not necessary. There is a workaround for this by drilling a small hole in the small bush that comes with our kit. For more information on this, please see our website. This is a bit of a fiddly job, but once done, you will notice the difference. It will be like driving a new van.